Hey guys, today we're launching our special edition IFAK Front-Line Guardian kit and just wanted to show you what's inside. Carl, can you take us through what's in the kit?
So in the kit we've got our CAT Gen 7 tourniquet that goes in the front here. So when we open it inside, we've got our CPR face shield, our disposable gloves to go with it. We've also got our North American S-rolled gauze, our North American Rescue 13cm shears, and a Sharpie pen to go with the tourniquet to write the time on. We also have our hyphen vent compact chest seal trim pack, and our 4-inch emergency bandage.
Excellent, thanks Carl. If you guys want any more info, just head up onto our website store.tactical.co.nz, and need anything further than that, just head up our contact details there.